Today we'll be discussing AI, or artificial intelligence, and how Elon Musk has warned us about its potential dangers. But first, let's start with what AI actually is. AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as perception, learning, decision-making, and natural language processing. AI can be categorized into different types, including rule-based AI and machine learning AI. Rule-based AI relies on predefined rules to make decisions, while machine learning AI uses algorithms to learn from data and improve over time. AI has many applications across a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and customer service. In healthcare, for example, AI is being used to develop more accurate diagnostics and treatment plans. In finance, AI is being used to improve fraud detection and risk management. And in transportation, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars and improve traffic flow. One area where AI is having a significant impact is in the field of customer service. Chatbots, for example, are becoming increasingly popular for handling basic customer inquiries and providing support. These AI-powered systems can save companies time and money while providing a better customer experience. While AI has many potential benefits, it also has potential dangers that have been highlighted by Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. Musk has warned that AI could be the biggest existential threat to humanity if it's not properly managed. One of the key concerns is that AI could become so advanced that it's beyond human control, leading to unintended consequences. Musk has also expressed concern about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as developing autonomous weapons. In a tweet in 2015, he called for a ban on AI weapons, saying that they were potentially more dangerous than nukes. There are several potential dangers associated with AI. One is the potential for bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on, and if that data is biased in any way, the AI will be biased as well. This can lead to unfair outcomes and perpetuate existing inequalities. Another danger is the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced, there is a risk that many jobs will become automated, leading to significant job losses in some industries. Finally, there is also the potential for misuse of AI. In the wrong hands, AI could be used for malicious purposes, such as developing autonomous weapons or perpetrating cyber attacks. To mitigate these potential dangers, Musk has called for greater regulation of AI. He has also advocated for the development of friendly AI, which is AI that's designed with human safety in mind. There are also efforts underway to develop ethical guidelines for AI. The IEEE, for example, has developed a set of principles for ethical AI development, including transparency, accountability, and privacy protection. AI has many potential benefits, but it also has potential dangers that need to be carefully managed. Elon Musk has warned us about the potential dangers of AI and called for greater regulation and ethical guidelines. As we continue to develop and implement AI technologies, it will be important to carefully consider these risks and work to mitigate them as much as possible. Ultimately, the future of AI will depend on our ability to manage it responsibly and ethically. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch the next video for more.